Understanding the phrase, tap out, a comprehensive guide. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss. The phrase, tap out. This phrase is quite common in English, and it has multiple meanings depending on the context. So, if you're ready to expand your English vocabulary and learn how to use tap out correctly, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. The phrase, tap out, actually originates from the world of combat sports, like wrestling or mixed martial arts. In these sports, a participant may tap their hand against their opponent or the mat to signal that they surrender or give up, usually because they are in pain or they believe continuing the fight would lead to injury. This physical action of tapping to surrender is where the phrase, tap out, comes from. 2.1. Admitting defeat or giving up. In a broader context, tap out can be used to express that someone is admitting defeat or giving up in a challenging situation. It doesn't have to be a physical challenge. It can be any difficult circumstance. Example: after studying for 12 hours straight, I was so exhausted that I had to tap out and take a nap. 2.2. Running out of resources. Tap out can also mean that a resource has been used up or depleted. This could refer to money, energy, patience, or any other resource. Example: my patience is totally tapped out after dealing with customer service all day. 2.3. Asking for help. In some contexts, tap out can mean asking someone else to take over a task or responsibility. Example: I've been trying to fix this computer issue for hours. I think it's time to tap out and call the IT department. Since tap out has different meanings, it's important to pay attention to the context in which it's used to understand its correct meaning. Here are a couple of things to keep in mind. Make sure the meaning of tap out fits the context of the conversation. Remember that tap out is an informal phrase, so it might not be appropriate in formal settings or professional communications. And that's a wrap on tap out. We hope this video has clarified the different meanings of this phrase and shown you how to use it correctly in various contexts. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more English language learning content. Until next time, keep practicing your English, and don't be afraid to tap out and ask for help if you need it. Happy learning!